Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you an aspiring music producer, or just passionate about making beats? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 3 of the best music beatmaker apps available for Android. These apps offer a wide range of features and tools that make it easy for anyone to create their own unique tracks, no matter your skill level. Let's jump in and explore these fantastic apps. Groovepad Music Beatmaker Go. Groovepad Music Beatmaker Go is an intuitive app designed for both beginners and experienced users who want to create their own beats easily. The app features a user-friendly interface with a variety of drum pads that allow users to play different sounds and samples just by tapping. It includes a wide range of musical genres, including hip-hop, EDM, and trap, enabling users to experiment with diverse styles. Users can record their performances, mix beats, and customize their tracks with effects, making it a great tool for music creation on the go. The app also allows users to share their beats with friends, fostering a collaborative music-making experience. Techno Music Beatmaker. Techno Music Beatmaker is specifically designed for enthusiasts of techno and electronic music. This app provides an extensive library of techno sounds and samples, allowing users to create unique tracks that resonate with the genre. Its interface is straightforward, making it easy to navigate and find the perfect sounds. Users can arrange their beats, apply various effects, and export their creations in high-quality audio formats. The app also features built-in tutorials and tips, making it accessible for those new to beatmaking while offering advanced features for seasoned producers. Whether you're looking to dive into the techno world or enhance your music production skills, this app is a solid choice. Groovepad Music VE Beatmaker. Groovepad Music VE Beatmaker is a versatile app that caters to users interested in various musical styles, including hip-hop, R&B, electronic, and more. The app features a sleek and modern interface, with a grid of pads that represent different sounds and loops. Users can create beats by tapping the pads, layering sounds, and adjusting tempo to match their vision. Groovepad also includes a wide array of samples and effects to enhance compositions. Additionally, the app allows users to record their sessions and export completed tracks, making it suitable for both casual users and aspiring music producers. The regular updates and new sound packs keep the creative possibilities fresh, helping users stay inspired. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best music beatmaker apps inspires you to unleash your creativity and start producing your own beats. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more music tips and app recommendations. Which app are you excited to try for your music production? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep making music.